Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can import a common cartridge file into Moodle. Open the Jove website. Sign in to your account. Click on your profile icon and select My Playlists. Search for your playlist of interest and click to open it. Click on the Download CC button. This will download the common cartridge file on your computer. Log into Moodle. Now open your Moodle course. Click on Turn Editing On button. Click on Add an Activity or Resource. Select IMS Content Package. Give your common cartridge file a name. Go to Content. Click on Choose a File. Go to Upload a File. Click on Choose a File. Select the previously downloaded common cartridge file from your computer. Click on Upload this file. Click Save and Return to Course. Click on Turn Editing Off button. That's it. Thank you for watching.